Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix COD Warzone DirectX Unrecoverable error on guide. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step update your graphics. Drivers. Content outdated or corrupted graphics. Drivers are a primary culprit for DirectX errors. Begin by performing a clean installation of the latest drivers for your graphics card. For NVIDIA users, navigate to the GeForce Experience application or NVIDIA's official website. Download the latest stable Game Ready driver and select the Custom Installation option. Then check the Perform a Clean Installation box, and users should use the Meridian software Adrenaline Edition or visit AMD's official website. Download the recommended driver and opt for a clean install through the setup wizard. Restart your after the installation is complete to ensure the changes take effect. Step verify Call of Duty Warzone game files. Content corrupted or missing game files can lead to a variety of in-game errors, including DirectX issues. Both Battle.net and Steam clients offer a utility to scan and repair game files. For Battle.net, open the launcher, select Call of Duty Warzone, click the options gear icon next to the play button, and choose Scan and Repair. For Steam, right-click Call of Duty Warzone in your library, go to Properties, then Local Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Allow the process to complete, which may take some time depending on your system, and then attempt to launch the game. Set update Windows and DirectX runtimes. Content ensure your operating system and DirectX components are fully up to date. Outdated Windows versions may lack necessary DirectX libraries or security patches required for modern games. Go to Settings, Update Security Windows or Settings, Windows Update Windows clone, and click Check for updates. Install any pending updates, including optional updates that might contain relevant driver updates or DirectX runtime components. After installing updates, perform a restart. Additionally, you can manually download the DirectX end-user runtime web installer from Microsoft's official website to ensure all DirectX libraries are present and correctly installed. Separate deleters at graphics configuration files. Content Warzone stores its graphics settings in configuration files that can sometimes become corrupted or hold incompatible settings, leading to DirectX errors. To reset these, navigate to your Documents folder, then find the Call of Duty Modern Warfare folder. Inside, look at the Players folder. Delete the add options in a file, and any files that begin with options or similar. The exact file name might vary slightly, but look for files containing options, and these files store your graphical and control settings. Deleting them will force Warzone to generate new default configuration files upon the next launch, potentially resolving the error caused by corrupted settings.
Step disable overlays and background applications. Content third-party overlays and background applications can often interfere with game rendering and cause DirectX errors, particularly in demanding titles like Warzone. Disable any overlays from applications such as NVIDIA, GeForce Experience, Meridian software, Discord, Steam's Box Game Bar, and any other similar software. Additionally, close all unnecessary background applications before launching Warzone. This includes web browser streaming services, monitoring tools, and to be thorough, you can perform a clean boot of Windows to start with only essential services. Then test Warzone. If the error is resolved, re-enable applications one by one to identify the conflicting software.